In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue where Ctrl+Z or the undo command is not working in Adobe Illustrator. This can be a frustrating problem, especially if you heavily rely on these commands during your creative process. But don't worry, we're going to walk through a simple fix, ensuring you're able to quickly get back to refining your art and designs. To kick things off, we need to launch Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Navigate to your applications, locate Illustrator, and open it up. Once you have Adobe Illustrator running, you'll see the familiar interface and tools laid out. Now, direct your attention to the top menu of the application window. We're going to click on Edit. It's typically positioned as the second option from the left on most versions of Illustrator. With the Edit menu open, look down the list until you find the option labeled Keyboard Shortcuts. Click on it. This section allows you to customize or reset the shortcuts for various functions within Illustrator. Since we're focusing on the undo command, our aim is to ensure that it's set to what Adobe designates as its original shortcut. You'll now see a dialog box appear, presenting various customizable shortcut options. Within this box, you'll notice a drop-down menu. They've designed it so you can select different preset configurations for keyboard shortcuts. In this drop-down, you want to select Illustrator Defaults. This is crucial because it resets any personalized settings and ensures that all functionalities, including undo, revert to their standard shortcut assignments. Once Illustrator Defaults is chosen, move to the bottom of the dialog box and hit OK. This action wraps up the adjustments. You should now have your undo function working correctly with the classic Ctrl+Z command. And there you have it. By setting your keyboard shortcuts to Illustrator Defaults, you should have resolved any issues with the undo function. This setting ensures that you're operating with the shortcuts Adobe originally intended, which can often fix unexpected behaviors if your keys have been altered. Remember, making sure your shortcuts are mapped correctly is vital for a smooth workflow in Illustrator. Always check them if you experience any hiccups in your design process. If you continue to encounter any issues even after this adjustment, it might be worth checking for updates for your Illustrator software or consulting the official Adobe support resources for more detailed troubleshooting. I hope this guide helps you navigate the undo functionality seamlessly. Have a great time with your creative projects, and remember that mastering these tools can make your designing experience much smoother and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!